Hormaz?
A little nugget on the Nifty Bank, though, just before we get on to stocks. From the COVID lows, just looking at the Nifty Bank at 60,000, it's up 250% from the lows that it made back in 2020. So that is the kind of moves that you've seen on the banks. And of course, that has had a cascading effect on the Nifty as well. We may be off the highs of the session, but there are plenty of movers in the broader markets as well. Start off with JM Financial today, and it's the top gainer on the Nifty 500, 7% higher on the stock today. It's gained in 4 out of the last 5 sessions. In already the first couple of hours of the trading session, the volumes are the highest in the last 4 months, and over 3 crore shares have been traded already on JM Financial. And take a look at the 20-day average. That's just 20 lakhs. So it's 15 times the 20-day average already in the first couple of hours of the trading session. IEX is making a move on the upside today after ending at the lowest point of the day last Friday. The stock is up 5% and it's gaining on very strong volumes as well. Last week was a bit of a forgettable one for the stock as it had gained only once all through the week. But today's session, already 1.2 crore shares traded, 20-day average of close to 24 lakh shares. So that is also 5x of the 20-day average. So moving higher on very, very strong volumes is IEX. And the last one on the list today is Salzer Electronics. That is the top gainer on the small cap index today. 9.5% higher on the stock. They snapped a 2-day losing streak. The stock was up around 13% a couple of weeks earlier on the 13th of November, and the volumes are all set to cross that number already in the first 2 hours of the trading session. We have had 13.5 lakh shares being traded on the stock in this 9.5% up move. The 20-day average here is only 50,000 shares. So broader market names, although the indices are off the highs, there are stocks that are moving and are moving on very, very strong volumes as well.
All right, Hormaz, thanks very much for taking us through that.